Treehouse, or Casa das Arvores, a residence in rural Sao Paulo, Brazil, teaches us that architecture can be a bridge between modern life and the harmony of nature. The house was built on a 2,000 square meter plot for a family who left the hustle and bustle of the city in search of tranquility and a better quality of life. The L-shaped design naturally divides public and private areas. The social spaces are located on the side facing the swimming pool, flooded with sunlight, while the bedrooms face the shaded and tranquil side garden. The house's facade combines earth-colored brick and brown metal beams, creating a rustic yet elegant feel. This choice of materials helps the building blend into the surrounding landscape. Interestingly, the construction was carried out with minimal tree felling, preserving native vegetation, so the house truly grows within nature. One captivating element is the long glass corridor that connects the house's 5 suites. Inspired by Le Corbusier's concept of the architectural promenade, this path is not simply a connection, but a vibrant visual experience. Natural light pours in from various angles, creating shadow patterns that change over time, bringing a different feel to every step. In addition to the building's orientation maximizing natural light, the house also utilizes natural cross-ventilation, reducing the need for artificial cooling. By utilizing local materials, energy efficiency, and careful land management, the treehouse is a clear example of how sustainable architecture can remain luxurious without sacrificing environmental principles. The treehouse is not just a residence, but a lifestyle statement about how we can live comfortably without sacrificing nature. This home teaches that the best design is one that strikes a balance between function, aesthetics, and sustainability.